Hello everybody, I'm showing you today penthouse Mego in Bucerias. This is a large 2-bedroom condo, calle Miguel Hidalgo, which is about 20 meters from the beach in Bucerias. There is a nice balcony outside that you can see. This is the living room, the dining room area. There is a small storage area. Here's the kitchen. This is the entrance from where we came. This will be the second bedroom, the full bathroom. And this is the laundry area. This is actually a very large laundry area. The master bedroom, closet space. Very large master bedroom. Nice TV. And another bathroom. If you want more information on this property, please log on to Puerto Vallarta Property Rentals and look for Penthouse Mego in Bucerias. It's the golden area, Golden Zone.